Today we add big numbers, hundreds, tens, and ones. Can you add them? Let's learn together. Hello everyone, welcome back to Maths. Today we learn addition within 1000. We will add 3-digit numbers, carry 1, match answers, and solve school problems. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Read and answer.
Look at the school. There are 242 boys. There are 239 girls. How many pupils are there in total? Let's solve together. We add 242 plus 239. First, the ones. 2 plus 9 equals 11. 11 ones means write 1 1 and carry 1 10. Now tens. 1 plus 4 plus 3 equals 8. Now hundreds. 2 plus 2 equals 4. So 242 plus 239 equals 481. There are 481 pupils in total. Can you say it? There are 481 pupils in total. Excellent.
Listen, point, and repeat.
Now let's learn how to add 3-digit numbers.
152 plus 326 equals 478.
152 plus 326. We start from the ones place. 2 plus 6 equals 8. Write 8. Now tens. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Write 7. Now hundreds. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Write 4. So 152 plus 326 equals 478. (152 plus 326 equals 478. Great job!
158 plus 314 equals 472.
Now look carefully. 158 plus 314. First, ones. 8 plus 2 equals 12. 12 ones means write 2. Carry 1 10. Now add the tens. 1 plus 5 plus 1 equals 7. Now hundreds. 1 plus 3 equals 4. So 158 plus 314 equals 472. Amazing!
1. Listen and write. Then calculate.
Listen and write, then calculate. Number 1.
1.
115 plus 256.
We have 115 plus 256. Let's add. 5 plus 6 equals 11. Write 1, carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 5 equals 7. Write 7. 1 plus 2 equals 3. So 115 plus 256 equals 371. 371. Good job. Number 2.
2.
374 plus 206.
374 plus 206. Think carefully. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Write, carry 1. 1 plus 7 plus 0 equals 8. Write 8. 3 plus 2 equals 5. So 374 plus 206 equals 580. 374 plus 206 equals 580. Excellent.
Two, write and say.
Now let's match the dragons. Look at the green dragon. 421 plus 156. 421 plus 156 equals 577. Match with balloon 577. Now look at the pink dragon. 729 plus 61. 729 plus 61 equals 790. Match with balloon 790. Look at the purple dragon. 405 plus 83. 405 plus 83 equals 488. Match with balloon 488. Look at the blue dragon. 237 plus 58. 237 plus 58 equals 295. Match with balloon 295. Great.
Guess and write.
Welcome to school counting game. Are you ready? Look at the school information. There are 246 boys. There are 239 girls. How many pupils are there in total? Let's solve together. 246 plus 239. 6 plus 9 equals 15. Write 5, carry 1. 1 plus 4 plus 3 equals 8. Write 8. 2 plus 2 equals 4. So 246 plus 239 equals 485. There are 485 pupils in total. Today we learned addition within 1,000. Hundreds, tens, ones, carry 1, and solving word problems. You did an amazing job today. See you next time. Goodbye.